Current Affairs 8 June 2021. What is the main objective of the recently developed chip of technology? A. Biogas production. B. Gold mining. C. Obtaining data. D. Cryptocurrency mining. The answer is C. Obtaining data. Scientists at Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Hyderabad, had developed an indigenous chip of technology. The main purpose of this technology is to retrieve encrypted data from locked and severely damaged smartphones. The Eagle Act, which was in the news recently, pertains to which country? A. Pakistan, B. America, C. India, D. Japan. The answer is B. America. US representative to abolish per country limit on employment based green cards, a law was introduced in US House of Representatives called the Eagle Act 2021. Which female sprinter from the Netherlands has set the new record by completing 10,000 meter in 29 minutes 6 seconds 82 milliseconds? A. Laura Moiro, B. Hannah Klein, C. Nadine Wizard, D. Sifan Hassan. The answer is D. Sifan Hassan. Which project has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of World Environment Day in Pune? A. E200 pilot project, B. E100 pilot project, C. E300 pilot project, D. E400 pilot project. The answer is B. E100 pilot project. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the E100 pilot project in Pune on the occasion of World Environment Day. This ambitious project has been taken up with an aim to establish a network for the production and distribution of ethanol in India. Which Navy hydrographic service ship has been retired from 40 years of service? A. INS Khanderi, B. INS Sandhyak, C. INS Kalveri, D. INS Arihant. The answer is B. INS Sandhyak. INS Sandhyak, an indigenously designed and built hydrographic survey ship of the Indian Navy, decommissioned on 4 June 2021 after serving the nation for 40 years. World Food Safety Day is celebrated on which day? A. 10 January, B. 12 March, C. 15 May, D. 7 June. The answer is D. 7 June. World Food Safety Day is celebrated on 7 June every year. The event highlights efforts to control, detect and prevent foodborne disease. Who has been awarded the prestigious International Booker Prize for the year 2021? A. Anna Burns, B. David Diop, C. Marike Lucas Rijneveld, D. Olga Tokarczuk. The answer is B. David Diop. David Diop has become the first French novelist to win the International Booker Prize for translated fiction with his first English novel, At Night All Blood is Black. NCPCR has launched which online tracking portal for children affected by COVID-19? A. Ek Initiative, B. Chico, C. Child Health, D. Bal Swaraj. The answer is D. Bal Swaraj. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, in the view of growing problem related to children affected by COVID-19, the need for care and protection, an online tracking portal Bal Swaraj has been launched for children with disabilities. Who has become the second world-class bank to launch Swift GPI instant facility? A. HDFC Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. SBI Bank, D. Axis Bank. The answer is B. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is the first bank in the Asia Pacific and the second globally to offer a facility called Swift GPI Instant for cross-border payments. By whom was the SAGE program and portal launched? A. Amit Shah, B. Narendra Modi, C. Ashok Gehlot, D. Tharwakar Chand Gehlot. The answer is D. Thawar Chand Gehlot. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Thawar Chand Gehlot launched an initiative called SAGE on June 4, 2021, and the SAGE portal to help senior citizens of India also launched. Thank you.